1. What causes blood cancer? Answer. High WBC count. 2. Galaxy is associated with which part of the human body? Answer. Brain. 3. Where is the parotid gland found? Answer. Under the ear. 4. What is the disease caused by the irregularity of hormones? Answer. Functional disease. 5. What causes athlete's foot? Answer. Fungus. 6. Which is the most suitable drug for the treatment of blood-related viruses? Answer. Robert Gallo discovered HTLV. 7. In which structure of the human body is the vermiform appendix found? Answer. Large intestine. 8. Which organ needs the most oxygen compared to all other organs of the body? Answer. Brain. 9. After taking food, the wave movement of the alimentary canal and the secretion of its wall glands are stimulated by which system? Answer. Parasympathetic system. 10. Which is the largest artery in the human body? Answer. Aorta. 11. What is silicosis? Answer. Lung disease. 12. Which gland is also called the master gland? Answer. Pituitary gland. 13. Which is the largest endocrine gland in the human body? Answer. Thyroid gland. 14. Where are the enzymes of glycolysis found? Answer. Cytoplasm. 15. In patients with thalassemia, the body is unable to synthesize what? Answer. Hemoglobin. 16. Who destroys food bacteria in the stomach? Answer. HCl. 17. What is the functional unit of the kidney? Answer. Nephron. 18. What is the main function of nervous tissue? Answer. To receive stimuli and transmit impulses to the spinal cord and brain. 19. Which organ is called the blood bank of the human body? Answer. Spleen. 20. Why are men more affected by color blindness than women? Answer. They have only one X chromosome. 21. A person who doesn't understand when to stop eating suffers from which disease? Answer. Bulimia. 22. What is the normal range of cholesterol in humans? Answer: 150 to 260 milligrams per 100 milliliters. 23. What causes sickle cell anemia? Answer: pathology of RBCs. 24. Which hormone is given in contraceptive pills? Answer: estrogen. 25. In what form is carbohydrate stored in the body? Answer: glycogen. 26. How is urochrome formed? Answer: from hemoglobin of red blood cells. 27. Which is the largest gland in mammals? Answer: liver. 28. Where does gaseous exchange occur in the lungs? Answer: alveoli. 29. Where is the respiratory center located in the human body? Answer: medulla oblongata and pons. 30. What type of excretion is found in humans? Answer: ureotelic. 31. For the treatment of which disease is injection used? Answer: hepatitis. 32. At the time of fertilization, what is used as an energy source? Answer: glucose. 33. What is the average blood flow per minute from the kidney? Answer: 1.2 liters per minute. 34. What is an antibody? Answer: a protein that fights antigens.